You broke it.
I didn't break it.
Yes, you did.
It was actually like that. Okay, wait.
Okay. What's that?
Yes, back.
Oh, okay.
What's that? Oh, show on the camera. What are you doing?
Yeah.
I think you got this one. Wait. I want to show this one. Hurry up.
Oh, is that different? I can see some silhouette or some shadows or something on there. Okay, cool.
I want to show the next thing.
Oh, that's the...
Control.
Okay.
And then I want to show the train. You can show the other coal thingy.
That was the train.
You show the coal thingy.
Go.
That's the engine.
What is that?
And the other
Good.
side. Oh, that's cool.
Let me show you.
Oh my goodness. Okay, show me the front bit. I like that little bell on there.
And the spring.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Oh,
there. No.
Trying to take it. Hurry up. On the tracks.
okay. We need to build the tracks now.
That's gonna take years to do. Those are tiny tracks.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It won't take years. Build it.
Fine, man.
Click. Yeah.
Yeah, if I put those pictures, they'll fit.
Oh my gosh.
This bottom part is good.
Huh?
Okay. No, the one is the last one. Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay, who wants to start? You start slow first, alright? Rain.
What did you? Yes. Look what you did, Kyle.
What? You were the one holding the remote.
But it is. What if it actually was meant to happen like this? I didn't touch anything.
You broke
I
it.
didn't break it.
Yes, you
It
did.
was actually like that. Now you're saying it was me.
Wait.
What? That's the fastest?
Yeah.
That's not too fast. Still okay. And go to the very slowest.
We can go backwards.
No, wait, hold on. I just want to see what's the slowest.
Yeah, we can go backwards. Why did you go that fast, Sophie?
No, don't make it go fast backwards.